Dr. Sarah, what are some budget tips to help us get more mushrooms into our diet regularly?
The number one top budget tip for mushrooms is to skip organic. There is no health benefit to choosing organic foods over conventional, and there's no meaningful difference in nutrient density between organic and conventional. And if that sounds surprising, I go into all of the details along with scientific citations in chapter 10 of my book, Nutrivore. Or if you would prefer to learn by video, I have a webinar called The Truth About Food Toxins available at nutrivore.com/shop. Tip number two is frozen, canned, and dried mushrooms are all awesome choices. I especially find for those wild type mushrooms like oyster mushroom or shiitake mushroom that getting them dried is particularly cost effective. And all of those options are equally as nutrient dense to fresh mushrooms. And if you're worried about the BPA in canned foods, that's another myth that I bust in chapter 10 of my book, Nutrivore. Tip number three is to lean into budget options. So for mushrooms, buying them whole instead of pre-sliced is typically more affordable. And I find that mushrooms are one of the produce items that often go on clearance sale, at least at my local grocery store. So keep an eye out for those clearance stickers. Tip number four is to grow your own or forage for them. In either case, you really do want to make sure that you're learning from an expert, though, because most varieties of mushrooms have poisonous lookalikes. And even if you are growing them from home, you want to make sure that you are 100% certain in your identification. Number five is all of the normal budget tips you would apply to anything. Compare prices, shop sales, load up when you have a good coupon. And tip number six is to just do the best you can. There's huge health benefits with at least 3 servings of mushrooms per week. But if that just doesn't fit into the budget, maybe 2 servings or 1 serving does. Or maybe it's a serving every other week. Every little bit counts. One of the coolest nutrients that mushrooms has is an amino acid called ergothioneine, which has been nicknamed by scientists the longevity vitamin, and is one of the nutrients I talk about in my book Nutrivore. So if mushrooms just don't fit into the budget, or if you like really dislike them, other good food sources include tempeh, asparagus, and chicken liver. And if you like budget tips like this, you would love the new practical tips section in my free weekly newsletter, which includes budget tips, cooking tips, food storage tips, cool things like when you slice mushrooms and put them out in the sun, they can make a ton of vitamin D, increasing their vitamin D content by like 10 times. Plus, when you sign up for my weekly newsletter, I send you 5 free Nutrivore welcome guides. Very practical focused and geared at jumpstarting Nutrivore. And you can sign up at nutrivore.com/join.